Welcome to the Rich Club channel. Please watch the video to the end, and if you like it, support the channel with a like and subscribe. Let's go. In this video, you will learn the real-world use cases and enterprise-level partnerships that are just a few factors behind VeChain's recent breakout to a new all-time high. Before the video starts, write in the comments how much the VeChain token will cost in a week. To the one who guesses, we will transfer 5,000 tokens. You will also need to like and subscribe. Some of the top partners with VeChain include LVMH, Haier, BMW, Groupe Renault, DNV, and PricewaterhouseCoopers. English language and state-run business channel CGTN created a short expository video on blockchain's growth post-COVID-19. The video and article featured a close look at VeChain's progress in developing business solutions, explaining how the technology could be applied to the food safety and infection control industry. The media company shot a short video inside the office and interviewed a few of the developers, indicating that the company has done well to comply with regulatory requirements in the tightly run country. It's no secret that VeChain has a top position in close relationship with many government-backed organizations, which is an enviable position for any enterprise blockchain as a service provider. Built as part of a partnership with iDante, a company specialized in pharmaceutical and healthcare solutions, the app will operate as an electronic test enabling a user to validate lab results that corroborate that he is COVID-19 free. VeChain has been moving sideways in the daily chart, while major cryptocurrencies bleed out in the lower and higher timeframes. In the weekly and monthly chart, VET has an impressive 11.4% and 140% respectively, trending opposite to the general market sentiment. An ascending triangle pattern points to a likely breakout in the price action, with resistance at 27 cents and support across the low and mid-range of 20 cents. On this price structure, the Fibonacci extension point to a target of 34 cents. On September 5th, it needed to bounce from support to break out and continue the trend. That struggled to topple resistance level of $0.116. However, the altcoin was seen retracing by 2.2% since yesterday. That was priced at $0.109, and it could decline further to rest at the $0.099 support level. A bearish crossover was noted on the MACD, and red signal bars affirmed the same on the Awesome Oscillator. Bollinger Bands showed constriction and implied that VET could move towards a range-bound movement, where the prices might range between $0.116 and $0.099 respectively. Announced Monday, fiat-to-crypto on-ramp infrastructure platform Simplex added VeChain to its list of supported crypto assets, enabling users to quickly purchase VET across its partner network. The partnership opens the crypto community to a global platform, allowing them to purchase VET using fiat payment options including credit and debit cards, Apple Pay, or via bank transfers through Simplex Banking. The latest crypto asset addition targets VeChain users, newcomers in the crypto field, and Simplex partners who wish to enable easy access to VET tokens for their users. Simplex has pioneered seamless fiat-to-crypto on-ramps, providing the crypto ecosystem with powerful, seamless, and impactful solutions, and bridging the gap between crypto and traditional finance. With over 350 globally accessible partner integrations including Binance, Huobi, and BitPay, Simplex continues to drive global adoption of crypto assets through its fiat infrastructure. As one of the largest cryptocurrencies today with a market cap of over $7 billion, VeChain's addition means that its ever-growing community of users, developers, and innovators can now directly purchase VET with the same simplicity as a familiar e-commerce experience. VET will be available for direct purchase across Simplex's partner network of leading exchanges and wallets, including Bitrue, Digifinex, and Guarda Wallet. VeChain has built its name across the crypto ecosystem as an eco-friendly blockchain, which is utilizing green and sustainable blockchain consensus to verify and sign off transactions. The blockchain focuses on enterprise adoption by offering decentralized solutions to lower transaction costs and boost overall productivity. How much will VeChain cost in the end 2021? Write your opinion in the comments.